Start together with me. Now step to the left side of the mat. Hand to prayer posture. Now with inhale, slowly raise your hand up over the head, lengthening your two sides the same. Someone pull you up the ceiling, and we go with standing crescent. Slowly exhale, bend to the right side. Try to engage your core. Square your body. Don't bend like this. Square your body and stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, going up. And slowly exhale, bend to the left side. Try to straighten your hand, lengthening. Bend more and breathe normal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, straighten. And now step the right foot to the right side. Try to bring your toe to 45 degrees and slowly, with exhale, slowly bend your knee down and go to squat. Try to tuck in your core, straighten your spine, sit stable and stay here. Your hand can softer if you feel you want, or you can straighten like this. And if you feel more flexible and challenging yourself, you can sink lower down. And now just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly straighten your hand and slowly bend to the right side. Go to triangle pose. Look up the left fingertips. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now exhale, drop your left hand down. Straighten your right knee, right leg straighten, and slowly lengthening your spine. With exhale, forward fold, head touch to your knee and tuck in your core. Try to lengthening your spine. You can bend your elbow if you want. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, we slowly, with inhale, bring your body up and try to adjust your distance. You can bring your left leg wider and slowly sink down your right foot. Try to adjust the knee and the heel 90 degrees and stay firmly tuck in your core. From here, with inhale, bring your hand over the head. We go with low lunge. If you feel too much pressure here, you always can drop your right knee down here like this. Or if you feel you can, bring the straighten your knee, straighten your left leg and bend back. We stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We slowly go to side lunge. Prayer posture and use your elbow, right elbow to press down the right knee. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, and you feel the stretching in the left side and the right side. Stay here after 5 seconds, then put your two hand palm on the mat and we shift to the left side. Same from here, we also the toe, right toe pointing the ceiling and use the elbow, left elbow press to the right knee. Yes. And sit firmly. Try to shift chest if you can. And just stay here for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3. You feel deep stretching here and the left thigh. 4 and 5. Do you need to feel the stretching between the right thigh and the left thigh? And from here, slowly straighten your leg and turn in. Still prayer posture with inhale. Slowly raise your hand up over the head. Go with low lunge. And you can bend back if you can. From here, if you feel too much pressure, only way you can drop your right knee down. And try to adjust from here, knee to heel, 90 degrees. If you like this or like this, you will injure your knee. So you must be very careful. Yes. Stay here firmly and strongly. Stay here 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here now, straighten your 2 legs and slowly with each heel forward fold. Now try to bring lengthening your spine and fold forward, head to the knee. We also stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try to tuck in your core on the way, and you can bend your elbow if you can. Yes, stay a little bit. Try to the spine lengthening more, and try to tuck in the core more. Yes. From here now, slowly inhale, straighten your spine, and we go to the goddess posture. Raise slowly with inhale. We raise your right hand up first. Triangle pose and try to press down the palm and open more your chest. Don't hold your breath. Just breathe normal here and stay here for 5 more seconds. Try to straighten your 2 legs. Yes, beautiful. Just stay here with me. 5 more seconds only. And 4, 5. From here, slowly push the body up and legs shoulder level, hand shoulder level, and bring your 2 toes to 45 degrees and slowly bend, squat the body to go goddess posture. And if only way can sink lower as much as you can and try to stay stable. Yes. If you feel too much challenging, you always can bring your body up. If you feel more flexible, challenging yourself, you bring down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bring your hand up to prayer posture. And now, with exhale, slowly step your left leg to the right side. And exhale, bend the body to right side. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, lengthen the body up. And exhale, bend to the left side. And slowly go to prayer posture.